We're kind of the unusual company here at a show. Our intentions is really just to give stuff away. So we have food, we have candy, we have toys and gifts and stuff just for people. It's not about how we can sell anything to anyone. It's about how we can give enough, because we know if we give enough, we always receive enough. And wherever we're giving, we get back from somewhere else. So the whole intention is to give, and the net result is we're always being given back. So our booth is different. We're not trying to get leads, so we're not showcasing that. We're just showcasing being different. And that's why Pirates in the booth. That's why not having it set up specifically to try to grab people and sell. It's instead, if you want to come visit with us, you can, but we're not going to make you talk to us like most of the booths here do. Oh, and again, to keep ourselves different and to be different, we also bring our dog mascot. Bob's here today, hanging out in the booth. He's just another way of helping people realize we're just different. Our dogs are really important to us. They're an integral part of our company. That if our dogs like you, we'll probably like you. If our dogs don't like you, we probably won't like you. Therefore, you're not a customer of ours. And we use our dogs in part for that reason, that if we can interact and you can enjoy them and we can enjoy them, then we're gonna have a good relationship.